music take you there. The star will take you everywhere, bringing music closer to your heart. The star will take you there.
Only barbecue, only grill, only side dishes, only additional dishes with only charcoal barbecue. Indulge and choose from our 8 types of meat: beef samgyeopsal, pork samgyeopsal, spicy samgyeopsal, tender flavorful moksel, pork barbecue, spicy chicken, and chicken barbecue. Don't limit those cravings and go all out with more than 20 additional dishes. From ramyun, soy sauce chicken, fried chicken, dumplings, kimali, tteokbokki, chop suey, spaghetti, macaroni salad, kimbap, vegetable salad, kakis, doenjang soup, egg soup, sweet and sour pork, and many more to satisfy your appetite. Top your foodie experience with unlimited side dishes to choose from with a variety of vegetables, finger foods, noodles, spices, and many more. Best experience with family and friends. Treat yourself and visit us now at Samgyup Pocha, located at number 2 Leonard Wood Road, Manuel A. Rojas, Baguio City. Open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Redefine Unlimited.
The Baguio Country Club, the first and only 5-star mountain resort in the Philippines, is fully equipped and ready to welcome you back. The club has thoroughly worked on adapting to the new normal. The usage of any of the facilities and amenities of the club is governed with specific rules, regulations, and procedures in accordance to the medical, physical distancing, and disinfecting protocols. And as you return back here to your second home and make new memories with us, we assure you that at the Baguio Country Club, you do not have to worry, because we can assure you that the club continuously puts great importance to the health, safety, and wellness of its members, guests, and employees.